Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you the step-by-step process to create Roblox clothing. Before we begin, let's go over the basic requirements. First, make sure you have created a Roblox account. If you're subscribed to Roblox Premium, it will allow you to upload classic shirts and pants. Next, you'll need an image editor. You can use free tools like Photopea, GIMP, Pixlr, or Canva. If you prefer paid software, you can also use Photoshop, Lightroom, Luminar Neo, or similar applications. Now, the second thing we need is the official Roblox clothing templates. Open your browser and search for Roblox Shirt Template PNG. Go to the Images tab. Click on the image, then right-click and save it to your computer. Do the same thing for Roblox Pants Template PNG. The templates look like a flat, unfolded avatar with labeled body parts. Make sure not to resize the template. Always use the default template size. The third step is designing your clothing. Open your browser and go to the Photopea online image editor. The link is available in the video description. Click Open from Computer and select the clothing template you downloaded. Once the template is open, go to the toolbar and select the rectangle tool. To zoom in, hold the Alt key and scroll with your mouse. Use the hand tool to move around the canvas. Now, select each section of the template one by one using the rectangle tool, and press the Delete key. Next, open a new tab and search for a shirt color. In this example, I'm choosing purple, but you can pick any color you like. Download the image and save it to your computer. Go to the File menu at the top left and click Open in Place. Select the color image you just downloaded and open it. As you can see, the color image covers the entire shirt layout. Go to the Layers panel and drag the color layer below Layer 1. Add new layers on top of the template. For example, you can draw or place logos, patterns, colors, or shading. Always keep the template layer visible. Resize your pattern as needed. To add effects, go to the Effects section at the bottom, select Drop Shadow, adjust the opacity, distance, and noise, then click OK. The fourth step is to export the file. Go to the File menu, select Export as PNG, and make sure the size is set to unchanged. The fifth step is uploading your clothing to Roblox. Visit the Roblox Creator dashboard and log into your account. Click on Create, go to Avatar Items, select Classic, and choose Classic Shirts from the drop-down menu. Click Upload Asset, enter a name and description for your clothing, then upload the PNG file. Finally, pay the upload fee, which is usually 10 Robux. After moderation, your clothing will appear in the avatar shop. The sixth step is selling your clothes. This step is optional. Click on the More button and select Analytics. Under the Configure section, set the item price. For example, the shirt costs 5 Robux here. Now, scroll down and head to Publishing Advance. Click on Publish Item. A confirmation screen pops up here. Select the Pay and Publish button. Wait for a few moments to publish your item. You can also create a clothing group for branding. Finally, showcase your completed Roblox outfit. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.